Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. If you are new, hit the subscribe button down below and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. Today is the official start of our travel videos. We are going to Chattanooga, Tennessee to visit family and spend 5 days there. So we are about to leave. Today is Wednesday. So I am so tired right now. It's 7:34 a.m. and we're about to leave. Angela's just getting out of the shower soon and I'm about to go pack the car. So you guys can come with me to pack the car and we'll be hitting the road. It's gonna be a long driving day, but I'm so excited. And when we get there, I think we're going to a brewery for dinner. At least that's the goal, so that'll be really fun. And I'm gonna take you guys with me, so welcome back to Vlogmas.
What is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are a curse. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to help me sleep at night and see another day. When you are all out of words, what is there to say?
Alright, if you guys have watched any of our travel vlogs, then you might know one of our favorite road trip stops. We've only been here once, or twice. I think twice. No, I think we went to 2.
Nope.
Anyway, we're about to go inside, I'll show you.
Feeling like my dreams are the worst. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to tuck me in at night and see another day. See another day. When you are old.
Alright everyone, we officially made it to the house and I'm going to give you a quick tour before everyone gets here because we have our whole family staying here and it's going to be crazy. But I just entered in and there is this breezeway lounge area. It overlooks the backyard. It's dark out right now, but I'll show you in the morning. And it also connects to the garage. Then you walk right in and this is what you see. So this is the door I was referencing. Breezeway is behind me. You walk in and you see the kitchen. It has super tall ceilings. It is so wonderfully nice. It's just so beautiful. And then if you walk into the left, we have the master bedroom. It is so big. And then it also has a bathroom, which I didn't look at, but oh my gosh, it's so huge. Little storage closet. So big. So nice. Then here, I'm gonna guess this is laundry. I haven't even looked yet. Big laundry room. So that's nice. If you keep going, they have a little coffee nook here. And then you're into a family room. Where's all the lights? What the heck? Okay, here's the family room. If you go to the right, there's a living room with a TV. And if you go to the left, they have this really large room, 2 queen-size beds. And then they also have a little patio room situation with futon mattresses. So lots of extra sleeping space. And then there are the last 2 bedrooms. So we have this big room, queen-size bed, and this one. So that is the full tour, and now we're gonna bring stuff in.
There's nothing to say. Fumbling in and out. It was within, but now I'll have to live without. Fumbling back and forth, and I wanna go back on what I said.
What is up, you guys? We haven't talked all day yet. It's officially Thursday. Everybody is playing football here at the park, which you just saw a big montage of, and we're having the best day. We started off with a hike, now football, and then we're gonna get back together for dinner and have a super fun night. So I'm really excited, having a good time. I am football champ, baby, but we're having fun. Just how to catch you up. This is the sitch.